A short story on Happy Sunday. Once upon a time, in the bustling city of Bengaluru, there lived a young software engineer named Mahesh. Mahesh was known for his dedication and hard work. He loved his job, but the long hours during the weekdays left him with little time for himself. One Sunday morning, he woke up to the melodious chirping of birds and the golden rays of sun seeing through his windows. He realized he did not have any work on that day. It was a Sunday, a day for just himself. Mahesh decided to meet the most of his day. He started cooking his favorite breakfast, masala dosa and sambar. The aroma filled his apartment, bringing a smile to his face. After breakfast, he decided to visit the very famous Lal Bagh Botanical Garden. He spent hours walking around, admiring the lush greenery and vibrant flowers. The tranquility of nature filled him with peace and calm. In the afternoon, he visited local bookstore. Being an avid reader, he lost track of time browsing through various genres. He bought a few books that caught his interest. Later in the evening, Mahesh met his old friend at a local tea shop. They spent hours reminding about their school days, college days, and sharing laughters and creating new memories. As the day ended, Mahesh realized how fulfilling and joyful his Sunday had been. He had done everything he loved: cooking, reading, spending time in nature, and meeting his friends. From that day onwards, Mahesh decided to dedicate his Sunday to himself, doing things that brought him joy and peace. And thus, every Sunday became a special Sunday for Mahesh. I hope you enjoyed this story. Take care.